Hello my friends, I've just published a pattern that explains how to knit a classic Parisian style beret. I called it Brigitte beret to honor Brigitte Bardot, who made this beret style iconic. The project is worked from the top down, with the increases scattered on the top part of the beret so that they do not form the distinct line that we normally see on knitted berets. And all of that makes this a very interesting project because we start with literally just a few stitches, and then within minutes the beret grows on the needles almost magically. And this is the just one more round stage, when we don't want to put the work down because we love to watch it grow so fast. Then the growth slows down and we move to the binge watching stage. And that's when we can work on this beret while watching our favorite movies or TV shows. When we get to the first decreasing round, the project gets a new sense of urgency because we realize that there are just a few rounds left before we can bind off stitches and put the beret on. And the process gets even more interesting because with every decreasing round we get fewer stitches on the needles and the work moves faster. And then, like the cherry on the cake, we make a lovely tuck fold right here at the bottom of the beret and then bind off stitches. The instructions are written out in easy to follow step-by-step format with photos and links to video tutorials that explain the techniques used in this project. The pattern is graded to 5 sizes, from a toddler size to a large adult size, so you can easily make those berets for everyone in your family. And please don't be fooled by the name. This project is unisex. It looks equally good on women and men. And the best part is that you will only need one 50-gram ball of sock yarn to make this beret in most sizes. The pattern is available as an instant download at 10roseaday.com/Brigitte-beret. So go there, get the pattern, and cast on.